Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make TikTok comment fake one to reply it in your TikTok videos. So all what you need to do is just hit the comment and then you will find the first link. So here guys, you will just get what happened to you, what happened to you as well. Let's say that a comment in order to reply with it. And here the username which is uh Danny always Danny always and you want to make it verified and you can sure upload the picture for that and you can make it as female. It's a verified one and you can make random one and you make it which is white or light or the dark mode. That's it guys, and you just upload the image and there you go, you can find a good picture for that. And when you open it you find the comment that's ready to make it the video for you. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Peace.